Today we are going to discuss about an important topic in space mechanics is Cowell method. For any type of mechanical objects or its mechanical properties, we have to find out their eminent structure or eminent output from the desired object. So this Cowell method, it is used to describe or used to measure the orbit, position and other properties of space mechanics. In our earth surfaces to the space surface, the lot of differences will have to encounter due to the gravity. So that dependent gravity, the object material or object different satellites are followed or unfold their conditions. So this is one of the specified method to find out the orbit position. The second one is in orbit position, and third one is orbit injection, and fourth one is the satellite properties. These are the steps or these are the properties we have to encounter from the Cowell method. The first one of the Cowell method, it is used to predict the orbit position. Here this is the satellite will travel from one orbit to another orbit from their particular position or direction. It is in the sun and earth of the surface. So this Cowell method is identified the orbit position. If the satellite or is the desired object, it will be having in the first type of orbit, and then how to it will be transferred to the another type of orbit with or without affecting the any other external phenomena. So in this sun and earth surface movement, the orbit position are well defined by the Cowell method. And third of this method is used to the injection. What is an injection? Injection means it will be having the some type of boost or some type of energy to the desired or particular satellite. So here the orbit injection satellite, it will be having the every satellite will have the particular amount of energy to transfer from one orbit to another. In that type, which type of orbit energy will reduce or will having the low type of energy, it will be transferred or will be converted into the another type. So here the orbit injection will inject the fuel and will inject the radiation velocity of that velocity to the particular satellite. And the final one is a satellite property. In previous videos, we said that satellite having a particular type of speed conditions, velocity and acceleration and another parts also. So if we not follow or if we do not the satellites follow these final properties, it will be having the any type of minor error will having encountered the surroundings area. So this Cowell method, it also having the steps also we follow of the Cowell method is, it's the first one is low orbit condition, and the second one is injection of orbit. So here the low orbit of satellite position, it will be having or transfer to the another type of injection or the orbit with particular area and particular end condition. So this lower orbit part produced some type of energy or some type of accumulation to the reversed area section. So in this part it will be encountered by this Cowell method. So this is the Cowell method is how to incorporate or how to using in the space mechanics subjects. Thank you.